Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you fix microphone issues in your PC. So if you're not able to get good quality of sound from your microphone, then what is the step? What is the solution to this problem? That's what we're going to discuss in this video. So for this, the first step that we need to do is go to the settings app. So go to the search bar and type in settings. Once in the settings app, we need to go to the sound options. So what we are going to do is go to system, and here there is the sound. So once you are in the sound, go to sound control panel. Here go to recording. That would list all the microphones that you have currently available. So from the list of the microphones, just click the one that is currently active for you, that you will get from these sound bars. So one that is fluctuating over here, I know that this one is my currently used microphone. So just double click over here, go to advanced, and in the default format, change its format to the best quality that you have. So in my case, it is 9 like the maximum hertz and the best quality that you have with the maximum number of bits. So that's 24-bit over here. So just select that and click on OK. Once you've done, then your microphone sound issue should have been solved. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.